Trackball mice continue to be a favorite for users who want precise control, reduced wrist movement, and a more ergonomic desktop experience. Wireless trackball mice combine smooth tracking, customizable buttons, and comfortable designs that are ideal for productivity, creative work, and everyday use. We're counting down the top 5 wireless trackball mice that stand out for their performance and overall value. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. ProtoArc EM01 NL Trackball Mouse. Anyone looking to reduce wrist movement without sacrificing precision will quickly notice how thoughtfully this trackball mouse approaches everyday productivity. Instead of requiring constant arm movement across a desk, it keeps the cursor under control with a smooth, thumb-operated trackball, making navigation feel surprisingly effortless. Once the adjustment period is over, the experience becomes both comfortable and highly efficient, especially for users who spend long hours working on computers. The defining feature is its 360-degree trackball mechanism, which allows the cursor to move freely in every direction while the mouse itself remains stationary. This design is particularly valuable for compact desks, shared workspaces, and travel setups, where mouse movement is often limited. Editing documents, managing spreadsheets, browsing large web pages, or performing detailed design work becomes easier because every movement feels controlled and deliberate. The stationary design also helps reduce repetitive wrist and arm motions that traditional mice require throughout the day. Precision is another area where this model performs exceptionally well. Equipped with a high-accuracy optical sensor capable of up to 2,400 dpi, it delivers responsive cursor tracking, suitable for both everyday office tasks and more detailed workflows. Whether selecting small interface elements, editing images, or navigating multiple monitors, the pointer responds smoothly with reliable accuracy. The high DPI capability also allows users to move efficiently across high-resolution displays without excessive thumb movement. Flexibility extends beyond cursor control thanks to its multiple wireless connection options. Supporting Bluetooth through 2 separate channels, alongside a dedicated 2.4 GHz wireless connection, the mouse can pair with several devices and switch between them with minimal interruption. Moving from a laptop to a desktop computer, then to an iPad or Mac becomes a simple process, making it especially useful for professionals who regularly work across multiple platforms. The stable wireless performance keeps workflows uninterrupted while eliminating the clutter of wired connections. Pros: ergonomic design, multi-device, precise tracking, rechargeable battery. Cons: learning curve, noisy clicks. Number 4. Lefon F33 Pro Trackball Mouse. What makes this trackball mouse particularly interesting is how it blends professional-level precision with an ergonomic design that encourages comfortable, all-day use. Instead of constantly sliding a mouse across the desk, it keeps movement centered around a responsive trackball, reducing unnecessary wrist motion while maintaining excellent cursor accuracy. For users who spend hours editing documents, creating digital artwork, or managing complex projects, this approach can significantly improve both comfort and workflow efficiency. Its most impressive specification is the high-precision optical tracking system, capable of reaching an incredible 8,000 dpi. This level of sensitivity allows the cursor to respond with remarkable accuracy, making even the smallest movements feel controlled and predictable. Whether working on detailed illustrations, adjusting tiny design elements, editing high-resolution photos, or navigating multiple large monitors, the mouse provides a level of responsiveness that helps users stay productive without constantly repositioning their hand.
The trackball mechanism itself contributes greatly to the overall experience. Since the mouse remains stationary during operation, it requires very little desk space while offering smooth 360-degree cursor movement. This makes it an excellent solution for compact workstations, crowded office desks, or mobile setups, where traditional mice often feel restrictive. Once users become familiar with thumb-controlled navigation, scrolling across spreadsheets, managing timelines, or selecting precise interface elements becomes surprisingly effortless.
Wireless flexibility is another major strength. Supporting both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, the mouse pairs easily with desktop computers, laptops, and other compatible devices. Switching between workstations feels seamless, helping professionals who regularly alternate between multiple systems maintain uninterrupted productivity. The wireless design also keeps desks cleaner by eliminating cable clutter while preserving stable and responsive performance throughout daily use. Power management has been designed with convenience in mind. The built-in rechargeable battery removes the need for disposable batteries, allowing users to simply recharge and continue working. This not only lowers long-term operating costs, but also makes the mouse a practical companion for travel, office environments, and remote work. Reliable battery life means fewer interruptions, helping users focus on their tasks instead of worrying about frequent charging. Pros: 8000 DPI, ergonomic design, programmable buttons, rechargeable battery. Cons: learning curve, right-handed. Number 3. ProtoArc EM05 Trackball Mouse. Right away, this trackball mouse stands out by rethinking how a mouse should feel during long hours of work. Rather than encouraging the flat hand position used by traditional mice, it adopts a vertical ergonomic shape that naturally supports the hand and wrist. The result is a more relaxed posture that feels noticeably more comfortable during extended productivity sessions, whether working from a home office, a corporate desk, or a mobile workspace. Its defining feature is the 62-degree vertical design that closely mimics a natural handshake position. This thoughtful angle helps reduce unnecessary twisting of the wrist while encouraging a more neutral arm posture throughout the day. Users who spend countless hours editing documents, programming, browsing, or managing spreadsheets are likely to appreciate the reduction in hand fatigue that develops over prolonged use. Instead of constantly moving the entire mouse, the thumb-operated trackball handles cursor movement with minimal effort, allowing the wrist and forearm to remain comfortably stationary. The thumb trackball performs smoothly and accurately, making navigation feel surprisingly intuitive after a short adjustment period. Fine cursor movements become easy to control, whether selecting small interface elements, editing graphics, or working across multiple displays. Since the mouse itself remains fixed in place, it works equally well on traditional desks, crowded workstations, sofas, or even directly on the user's leg. This flexibility is particularly valuable in environments where space is limited or conventional mouse movement feels restrictive. Connectivity is another major strength. Supporting 3 separate wireless connection modes through 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, and Bluetooth 3.0, the mouse can pair with multiple devices simultaneously. Switching between a laptop, tablet, desktop computer, or Mac requires only a single button press, making multitasking significantly more efficient. Professionals who regularly alternate between different operating systems can maintain a smooth workflow without repeatedly reconnecting peripherals. Precision remains highly adaptable thanks to 5 selectable DPI levels, ranging from 200 to 1600. Lower settings provide excellent control for detailed creative work, such as photo editing or precise selections, while higher sensitivity allows faster navigation across large displays or multiple monitor setups. The ability to adjust cursor speed instantly makes the mouse suitable for a wide variety of professional and everyday tasks without sacrificing responsiveness. Pros: ergonomic design, triple connectivity, rechargeable battery, thumb control. Cons: non-programmable, right-handed. Number 2. Seenda E3 Trackball Mouse. It doesn't take long to notice that this trackball mouse is designed around one simple idea: making everyday computer use more comfortable without compromising accuracy. By replacing constant wrist movement with smooth, thumb-controlled navigation, it offers a refreshing alternative to traditional mice. Whether the day involves answering emails, editing documents, attending virtual meetings, or browsing across multiple screens, the overall experience feels more relaxed and efficient from the very beginning. The ergonomic thumb control design is the centerpiece of its appeal. Instead of sliding the entire mouse across the desk, the cursor is guided by rolling the built-in trackball with the thumb. This significantly reduces repetitive wrist and forearm movement, helping minimize fatigue during extended work sessions. Users who spend hours at a computer can appreciate how the stationary design keeps the hand comfortably supported while still providing responsive and accurate cursor control. It also performs exceptionally well in limited workspaces, where moving a conventional mouse can be inconvenient. Precision remains consistently impressive thanks to the smooth rollerball mechanism. Small adjustments feel controlled and deliberate, making the mouse well-suited for detailed office work, spreadsheet navigation, web browsing, and creative applications. Selecting tiny interface elements, scrolling through lengthy documents, or managing multiple monitors becomes easier because the cursor responds predictably with minimal physical effort. After a short learning period, the thumb-operated system often feels surprisingly natural and efficient. Wireless connectivity adds another layer of convenience. Bluetooth support allows quick and reliable pairing with compatible laptops, desktop computers, tablets, and other supported devices. One of the biggest advantages is its multi-device capability, enabling users to switch between different systems without constantly disconnecting and reconnecting accessories. Professionals who regularly alternate between work and personal devices can maintain an uninterrupted workflow while keeping their desk free from cable clutter. Pros: thumb control, multi-device, rechargeable battery, ergonomic design. Cons: learning curve. Number 1, and the winner is Ugreen M785DR Trackball mouse. This trackball mouse makes a strong case for anyone who wants to improve comfort without giving up productivity. Instead of forcing the hand into the flat position common with traditional mice, it introduces a carefully engineered ergonomic shape that encourages a more natural posture throughout the workday. Combined with smooth, thumb-operated navigation and flexible wireless connectivity, it becomes a practical tool for professionals, students, and anyone who spends extended hours in front of a computer. The standout feature is its 65-degree ergonomic design, which places the hand in a relaxed handshake position. This thoughtful angle helps minimize unnecessary twisting of the wrist while reducing repetitive arm movement. Since the cursor is controlled by the built-in thumb trackball, the mouse itself remains stationary, making it especially useful on crowded desks, compact workstations, or even when working from a couch or while traveling. Long sessions of document editing, coding, browsing, or spreadsheet management become noticeably more comfortable because the hand stays supported instead of constantly sliding across the desk. The trackball mechanism delivers smooth and responsive cursor movement, allowing users to perform both quick navigation and precise adjustments with confidence. Whether selecting small interface elements, editing photos, managing large design projects, or moving between multiple monitors, the cursor remains accurate and predictable. 5 adjustable DPI levels, ranging from 400 to 2000, make it easy to match cursor sensitivity to different workloads. Lower settings provide excellent precision for creative tasks, while higher DPI speeds up navigation across larger displays without sacrificing control. Wireless versatility is another major advantage. Supporting Bluetooth 5.0 alongside a dedicated 2.4 GHz wireless connection, the mouse can store up to 3 paired devices and switch between them with a single button. This feature is especially valuable for users who frequently alternate between desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and other compatible devices throughout the day. Seamless transitions between Windows, macOS, Android, and iPadOS create a smoother workflow while keeping the workspace free from unnecessary cables. Pros: ergonomic design, silent clicks, multi-device, customizable buttons. Cons: right-handed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.